Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. You guys have been absolutely killing the content we've been putting out. So we're gonna keep on making it. Today's now day 3 going down there to the, well, part 3 going down there to the deer club. We've had a lot done. I'm actually gonna roll a time lapse really quick. Just watch this real quick. We were painting, putting up some trim, and then I wound up going home for a little bit. So most of that is already up, guys. So it was a little bit of carpet. Me and his dad have done a couple things. So that's what we're just going down there today to look at everything, and then pretty much just to pick up where we got to go next. So that being said, let's head down there to the deer club and see what we can get ourselves into. Alright y'all, we're walking in to the old deer club. Gotta get my light, wait a second, there we go. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff done in here while I was gone, just a little here and there things. Braden's dad's really been helping out a lot. Let's walk into their room first. As soon as you walk in, we got some new carpet and we got some bunk beds. These things are looking freaking good, and y'all see all the trimming around every single window. Walk into the hall, it's the same thing. It's pretty much everywhere. But in here, this room looks so gutted out and super nice. And you walk into the guest bedroom and we got 2 more bunk beds. These things are looking freaking sweet, man. One support right here, the rest is drilled into the wall. It's gonna hold up just fine. We have some more mattresses outside, so we'll bring them in. We should be able to have enough to do the rest of this bed and then one more in there. Just have to figure out the top bunk. Kitchen is looking good. I did some little woodwork down here with some sawdust. You just mix wood glue with some wood shavings, and pretty much it's like you just sand it down and we'll have those holes all patched up. But we're looking good. It's coming along today. I think we're gonna tackle just getting the truck unloaded. And you hear a little gunshot out there. We're shooting too, and pretty much just do a little bit of painting and kind of finish up around these bunk beds. What else we got? We got a TV. We got to do some flooring in here. Plans have changed for the floor in here. We might have enough for the kitchen, but Braden's dad brought some laminate floor, so we're gonna do a nice wood grain all through the hallway. And if we have enough, we'll do it in the kitchen too. But if not, we will try to restore this hardwood, get it super nice. It's actually probably the best out of all of the house. You can see it still has that little red tint to it. A lot of here and there things. So that being said, let's go ahead and get to work. So wrapping up for today, I want to walk around and show you what we have done so far and how she's looking. We got all the beds painted. They're looking pretty good. I got a little setup of what it's going to look like, at least with some blankets on it. But we'll tuck them all in. Looking good. The brown's really nice. Everything figured out, like kind of in the living room, how we want to have everything. There's still a lot we got to do though. TV's going up on the wall. It's going to swing out so everybody can watch from over here. Still need to do a little bit on the bathroom. A lot in the kitchen. And now we're jumping in B's room. I'm just kind of going around, and y'all could see the lines in the wood. We want to make that a little bit better, so I'm going back through. You can see where I stopped. I'm hand brushing all that. I'm going to try to go as long as I can, but it's looking good. It's like I said, it's just a day-by-day type of thing. We're working our butts off. So we'll pick you back up for the next update when we come back. Alright, y'all, we're back down here today. Getting a little look around. I think one of the guys who actually stays in this room, he's gonna come down and do, I think, the bathroom and some more flooring. I'm not really sure what his job is, but we're kind of at a standpoint. We're just gonna mess around with a couple more things, but I think we're really relying on him to come down today and do his part so then we can do ours. There's always something to do around here, so the boys are outside shooting right now. Once they're done with that, we'll all come in here and figure out what the next game plan is. Made it down here to the deer club once again. That's how it always starts off. Back down here. Let me walk inside real quick, show you what I think the goal for today is. Braden actually built him a little desk. Cute, that's his little office space. Gotta get that finished up, and all of the beds, we have plywood to lay on top so you're not falling through the 2x4s when you're laying in bed. So so what we're starting with, we're moving quick, we're moving fast. Let's get to work. Walking into the house, we have the plywood laid down, and boy, she looks good. And kind of did it a little bit backwards, which we've done a lot in this project, but now we got to paint this wood and get it to match. But it looks nice. We did some precise cuts, make sure it's all looking good, looking even. Top bunk is looking good. Same thing when you walk into the guest bedroom. You want everything to look good, nice and precise. Like I said, we do have to paint still, but beds are on. She's looking good. So what we got is looking extremely good. We have a lot more to do with the house, and like I said, it's just a come down here every day type of process. Just knock out what we can. Dealing with goons 24/7, knocking some stuff out. Like I said, we're waiting on the one guy who stays here a lot. He's got a couple things he's gonna do. We got to work on the bathroom more, and we got to get down a laminate flooring. Once we do that, we should be good. Like I don't think we're gonna have enough to do the kitchen, so that's another whole video. Can y'all pipe down? Their whole video with me going in the kitchen and trying to restore all of it. Shut up! We got another, that's it. Got a whole video right there of me sanding the floor trying to restore that for the kitchen, but and well, shoot, and the whole outside of the house. Look, speaking of, we got to get a lot of stuff out. We want to maybe try to paint the house too on the outside. We got to power wash, just still doing it. This is going to be good. You seem to be enjoying these videos. We're going to keep on putting them out. I really appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Lit and Bass TV.